Cybersecurity Interview Questions and Answers 2025. Technology has really changed the entire world. On a day-to-day basis, we live in a completely digital world where life without technological gadgets.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Is completely impossible. When we take a look around, this life is dependent on tech usage, and the growth of cybercrime takes place as well. Cybercrime is basically performing criminal activities with the help of a computer and a network. The victims of cybercrime can either be an individual, an organization, or factors of national interest. Cybersecurity is considered the only defense mechanism adopted by organizations to protect against cyber attacks. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand, as cybersecurity is important for every organization. A lot of professionals have shown interest in working as cybersecurity professionals. Along with certification, a candidate must be ready to tackle any and all cybersecurity interview questions during the interview rounds. Our curated lists of cybersecurity interview questions and answers allowed the professional to win over the interview round of organizations as a cybersecurity professional. Let's get started. Basic level cybersecurity interview questions and answers. Basic level cybersecurity interview questions cover the frequent cybersecurity questions and answers for freshers or professional cybersecurity certification applicants. 1. What do you mean by cybersecurity? Cybersecurity can be considered a defense mechanism that is used by a lot of people all around the world against cybercrime. It protects the hardware, software, data, and information present in the device from potential cybercriminals. It is considered one of the most important sectors in an organization as it protects all the organization's data and information. Apart from preventing the data from getting stolen, it protects the network used by the organization. A lot of individuals use cybersecurity information. 2. What are the different components or elements of cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is so complex that there are many components that make up cybersecurity as a whole. The major components of cybersecurity include cybersecurity information security, network security, operational security, application security, end-user education, and continuity planning for the business. All the different components of cybersecurity or different cybersecurity elements help in the overall protection of the data and information company. They look at the different sectors to fulfill the overall requirement. 3. Mention a few advantages of cybersecurity. Organizations that do not have a proper cybersecurity system have always had many troubles when it comes to keeping their data safe. Having a well-developed system is very important for the overall competitive growth of the organization. It provides your organization with many benefits listed below, for which it is given a lot of importance. 4. What do you mean by cryptography? Cryptography is actually in accord with the original message it transforms into. This ensures that all the data and information sent in the message are limited to the sender and the receiver. When we talk about the network, we see that it is a huge place. There are many users, broadcasters, and a lot of third parties as well. Third parties, which are known as adversaries, are often related to stealing sensitive messages sent from the user to the receiver. This is one of the most dangerous forms of cybercrime, as it steals all the sensitive messages that are being sent. The only way information can be protected from these adversaries is by using a technique known as cryptography. 5. How will we differentiate between IDs and IPS? IDs is the acronym for Intrusion Detection Systems, and IPS is the acronym for Intrusion Prevention System. IDs and IPS both have a very important role in the world of cybersecurity. The basic difference between IDS and IPS is that IDS is actually a monitoring system, whereas IPS is actually a controlling system. IDS has no relation to the alteration of network packets. In contrast, IPS has a great relationship with creating restrictions in the delivery of packets about the content stored in the package. 6. What do you mean by the CIA? CIA is the action that is used for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It is actually a very popular model whose primary purpose was to help develop security policies. The three components that built up the CIA as one of the most fundamental pillars of cybersecurity is.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.